Come on. NASCAR race last night at Martinsville, Virginia was a banger. Let me tell you. My guy, the oldest guy of the field, which makes me feel old because I was watching him when he was a rookie. And, yeah, my guy, he dog stomped him yesterday. Let me tell you, he dog stomped him. Let's go Toyotas, and let's go Denny Hamlin, the number 11 Toyota. He has a new sponsor. Let me see, what is his new sponsor? Oh yeah, Progressive Auto Insurance. Come on, got got he got them their first win. Can't ask for no better than that. Home track, dog stomped them. Well, well, y'all. It was a good day to be a NASCAR fan last night. Yes, it was. I'm so excited. But today is Monday morning, and I thought I would do my weekly pocket dump for y'all and just let y'all see what your boy's carrying on a Monday morning. What time is it? It is 7:30, and about to kick my work week off, but I had to jump on and give my boy some love. So if any of you guys on here are NASCAR fans and you watched last night, let your boy know in the comments who's your favorite and if y'all like the dog stomping the number 11 put on y'all last night. Come on. I will say, uh, Josh Berry, I thought he was going to pull off his second win of the year so far, but he got in some trouble, some battery issues, and yeah, took him out. And then I thought the most popular driver of the last 9 years was going to give my guy a run for his money, but Chase Elliott, old Georgia boy, he had nothing for him last night. Nothing for him. So, got that out of the way. Yeah, he's Denny Hamlin's 44-year-old, the oldest driver in the NASCAR field right now. And he is the most dominant driver. He has 55 cup wins. Awesome. And I've been his fan since number one, the very first one he had. I don't know, it's something about him when he first come in the sport. He just clicked to me. And I've been there ever since. So, with that, let's get into this pocket dump. I was excited. I had to tell y'all. Y'all know I'm a fan, NASCAR fan, but I haven't been able to brag any lately. But now I can. So, I'm carrying my boy Billy's slip. What's inside the slip is my GEC Mexican Burrowwood 83. Single blade, straight down Broadway, lockback design. Got the lanyard hoe. It's like a mini trapper. This one is 831121. So it's a 2021 when it was made. And it's an 83 pattern with the Mexican Burrowwood. Brass pins, brass liners. It's just a beast of a knife, let me tell you. I've started carrying this more than my 72. It's crazy to say, but I like this one just a little better than my 72. Oh, For my modern, I got the Jack Wolf After Hours. You can see it's a user. It's a user. Drop shutty action on that bad boy. Oh yeah, I'm a GEC guy today. I got my GEC Camel Blue Bone with the Cloud Shield. This one's brass pins, brass liners. Got fluted bolsters. See? Got 3 lines. Case calls it fluted bolsters. I don't know what GEC calls it, so I'm going with fluted bolsters like Case. Got the half stops. This one is a 94. 941121. So I got a couple 2021s. I think that was a very great year for GEC. I do believe. Look at that long pull, that swedging with that awesome clip point blade. I love this knife. One of my favorites. Got the half stops. To me, I think GEC makes the best single bladed knife out there today. I'm a big Case guy, but I think Case needs to get their action just a little bit stronger. The pull and stuff on a single blade Case knife is just a little bit weak for me, which a lot of people likes a weak pull, but I like it just enough when you grab it, you know you're grabbing it. So I think GEC does the best on single blade knives for right now. But I'm not knocking a Case knife. I love Case. I got hundreds of Case knives. Then I got a Queen. Yeah, I got a Queen. I think this is a Whittler. Yeah, Whittler. Good strong pull on this Queen. This one is a 1976. It's a 48. 48 Whittler. .48 Whittler by Queen. Listen to that snap. Great user knife. Great user knife. I think I got one more and that'd be it for today. I got my gun stock. My Case gun stock. Amber bone. This is a Case Brothers with the spear point. Since I cannot get me a GEC 44, I might as well carry one of my Case gun stocks. This would be good enough since I can't get a 44. I carry this. Same difference. Only thing's different, I like the GEC's main blade better. It's a spear point instead of this spear point. That's the only thing difference. I am a clip point kind of guy. What GEC puts on their gun stocks. But all in all, this will work. Look at that bone. That is awesome. Well, y'all, if y'all like this, do all the good stuff for me down here. Do all that. And yeah, let me know if you're a NASCAR fan. And let me know which knife I'm carrying today you like the best. With that, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day at work. And let's go DH. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?